In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in WordPress. Whether you're setting up a new site or enhancing the functionality of your existing one, incorporating a search bar can greatly enhance user experience by making it easier for visitors to find content. Let's dive in and get this feature up and running in just a few minutes. First, we need to access your WordPress dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so by entering your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your site's back-end functionalities. Now, navigate to the Widgets section by hovering over the Appearance menu on the left-hand sidebar. Hovering over Appearance will reveal several options. Go ahead and click on Widgets. This section allows you to manage and add various features to your site's sidebars, footers, and other areas where widgets can be placed. Once you're in the Widgets area, you'll see a list of available widgets on the left. Now, we're looking for the Search widget. This widget is typically included by default in WordPress, which makes our job a little bit easier. You'll find it among the list of available widgets on your screen. When you've located the Search widget, it's time to add it to your website. On the right-hand side, you'll see different widget areas where the search bar can be placed, such as a sidebar, footer, or any other widget-ready area your theme supports. Simply click and drag the search widget from the list on the left to your desired widget area on the right. After positioning your search widget within the desired area, you'll have the option to customize it. Click on the drop-down arrow of the search widget and you'll see some settings that you can modify. These settings allow you to give your search widget a title, such as Search Our Site, or leave it blank if you prefer a minimalistic look. Once you're satisfied with the placement and customization, it's time to save the changes. You'll see a button labeled Update or Publish. Click that to apply all your adjustments. This step saves your widget's configuration and makes the search bar live on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added a search bar to your WordPress site, making it easier for visitors to navigate and find specific content. Feel free to test it out by heading to the front end of your site and using the search function to ensure everything works smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.